PEPE's value rises as 202 billion coins accumulate on Binance due to positive mood. Examine the most recent changes in PEPE coin accumulation and market mood to learn why there is a surge in optimistic expectations within the cryptocurrency community. On June 3rd, PEPE sees a big acquisition from Binance as a new wallet address on Binance collects an astounding 22 billion PEPE coins, bringing new optimism to the market. PEPE has been in a bullish trend, so this unexpected shift could lead to big future profits. The purchase is a measured reaction to the recent decline in PEPE's price and shows that investors are confident in the company's ability to grow. The 202.4 billion PEPE tokens were acquired through two different transactions, totaling $3.07 million according to on-chain statistics from Whale Alert. This large purchase not only confirms the market's view of PEPE's positive trend but also rekindles investor excitement, driving PEPE's price to record highs in the midst of speculative euphoria. Increased accumulation frequently indicates a view among investors that the coin is expected to reach even greater things. PEPE has increased 2.80% in the last day according to market performance and additional information, and its price is currently sitting at 1,519 units. CoinLast data shows a strong upward trend, with derivatives volume rising by 37.4% to $96.9 million and future open interest rising by 1.63% to $169.112 million. The notable surge in trade activity suggests that the outlook for PEPE is becoming increasingly optimistic. Analysis shows that PEPE is not yet an overbought zone, allowing opportunity for possible rises with the relative strength index hovering around 63. But traders are also being cautious as a result of the market's recent selling pressure. These dynamics highlight the necessity for investors to temper their enthusiasm with thoughtful strategic choices that take the asset's potential and its current market behavior into account. Bullish expectations have certainly increased as a new Binance wallet amassed 202 billion PEPE currencies. How many owners of PEPE are making money? PEPE coin is a prime example of the abrupt changes that are typical in the cryptocurrency space. Even with today's big price decline, the majority of investors still made sizable gains. Despite today's loss, on-chain data analysis of the profit landscape shows that over 96% of PEPE investors are still in the black following the recent spike. The market intelligence platform's global and out of the money indicator shows that most PEPE holders have reached profitable zones as a result of the coin's prior spike. The number of addresses that purchase PEPE at different historical prices is indicated by the indicator. According to the data, the majority of addresses bought PEPE for less than the current retail price of 1,688 units, meaning that these investors made huge profits. To be more precise, 96.36% of all PEPE investors are doing well right now. This suggests that they have profitable positions. Compared to the 236,000 addresses that are making profits, just a very small percentage of investors, roughly 10 addresses, are experiencing a net loss. With the present price retesting their average acquisition cost, the remaining investors are at break-even. This retesting phase is very important because it affects investors' position as profit-losing entities and influences their decisions in the market. For investors, it's crucial for a number of reasons. The profit-loss scenario may change when the price approaches its average cost, leading to considerations about whether to hold, sell, or purchase additional PEPE. Despite the recent price decline, this scenario highlights the great profitability for the majority of investors, highlighting the erratic nature of cryptocurrencies where sudden gains and losses are frequent. Despite its initial drop, PEPE's market value has been increasing. It was early in the year that PEPE holders began to lose hope, particularly after the notable spike in other meme tokens. But PEPE started to regain market value, outpacing WIF and other joke coins. PEPE's market value increased as a result of the resurgence of interest in it. As of this writing, PEPE's market value nearly doubled that of WIF. PEPE is currently trading at 1,450 units following a 5.76% fall, but overall the altcoin's prognosis is still optimistic. Despite the recent drop over the past 24 hours, the price of the meme token has been rising since May 15th. PEPE's price showed a lot of highs and lows during this time, which would point to an increasing tendency. PEPE's relative strength index RSI, however, dropped to 43.75, indicating a weakening of the bullish momentum in the market. Moreover, PEPE capital withdrawal. However, PEPE's sentiment data indicates that strong selling pressure might be required to drive the meme token's price lower and buck the altcoin's upward trend. the meme token's price in the future can be significantly influenced by social activity surrounding it. Sentiment, a cryptocurrency analytics company, has provided data that shows a notable growth in PEPE's social volume in recent weeks. This increasing level of popularity might help the meme token keep growing. Nevertheless, given the general perception of the token, PEPE may face a number of difficulties. The weighted sentiment has changed significantly in just a few days from highly high to extremely low at the time of writing. The ratio of favorable to negative comments is measured by weighted sentiment. The varying weighted attitude may indicate that there isn't a cohesive story regarding PEPE on social media. Remarkably, user sentiment on the network changed quickly from a positive trend to a pessimistic trend, which could portend instability in PEPE's charts soon. The channel can be greatly supported by ongoing participation, such as clicking the like button and tuning in for the most recent PEPE coin news. A day ago, PEPE coin, a cryptocurrency inspired by frogs, broke its previous record of 1,577 units and recently climbed to an all-time high of 1,683 units. PEPE's price decreased little to 1,678 units at the time of publication, rising 11% every day. There is a lot of excitement surrounding this spike, and people are wondering if PEPE will be able to continue rising and remove additional zeros by June of 2024. PEPE has proven to have a remarkable track record of making money for its investors since its founding last year. PEPE separates out from the crowd of meme coins. Inspired by dog memes since it has a frog motif, its increasing appeal has been driven by its distinctiveness and well-timed pricing peaks. PEPE has given an absolutely amazing performance. It immediately achieved a high point following its launch, and it again at the start of this year. This growing pattern continued into May, culminating in a remarkable increase of 29,711% from the beginning. This month, the meme coin increased by an astounding 136%, and this week alone it increased by 81%. Predictions regarding PEPE for June are still positive. Analysts predict more growth given its current strength. According to the network, PEPE might trade at 2,190 units at its lowest point and 5,570 units at its maximum point the next month. Analysts predict that PEPE will sell 3,880 units on average this month. These projections show a sharp rising trend, indicating that PEPE may really remove more zeros from its pricing, making it a desirable choice for people looking for significant returns. But it is important to remember that the market's overall volatility is a major obstacle.